stay in the industry, winning hearts with their talent, charm, and dedication. A proud taxpayer of RDO 39, south of Quezon City, Madlang people, your Chinita princess,
Kim Chu!
Hello po, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po sa BRR for this recognition, and may this award inspire other people na paying our taxes is not just our duty, but this is also a contribution for a better country. Maraming salamat po everybody, and thank you for this recognition again, and sana magbayad po tayo ng tamang buwis at sa tamang oras at sa tamang panahon, and mabuhay po ang lahat ng mga Pilipino.
What a beautiful message, Kim. Thank you so much.